How to add playing a game on Discord mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a playing a game on Discord mobile. So first thing first, simply head over to your Discord application. Inside your Discord application, simply head over to your profile section right at the below, and once you see there, you can simply click on the let's say top right corner here, settings option, and you can see the data and privacy. There might be the privacy and data safety section. Once you click on it, you'll probably get the activity status option. As you can see, it's not showing in mine, but it might show on yours. That is the activity status. That is, so it will display the current activity as a status message. Once you have to enable it. If you haven't done, you simply have to enable the activity status from there. And once you do that, to let your friends what you are playing, and if that doesn't explain the game you are playing, then you can simply head over to your profile like this here, this interface, and you can simply add a status here, like saying I'm playing WWE, like this, and save it, and your friends will see what game you are playing. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.